Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is one of the factors? So I see a 5x plus 3 and a 5x plus 3. I see 5x plus 3 in both terms. So I'm going to factor out 5x plus 3. Some people find it helpful to just rename the 5x plus 3. Like, oh, I see this thing that's repeated. It might help me just visualize if I rename that 5x plus 3 like z. Okay, so this would be like xz minus 5z. Okay, and then there's a z in each term. So you pull out the z and you're left with x minus 5. Okay. And then finally, you can replace the z, right? And go back to the original thing. Z was 5x plus 3. So put the 5x plus 3. And there we have the final factorization. But they asked which of the following is one of the factors. So I see an x minus 5. That's one of my factors. And 5x plus 3 is not listed. So it's got to be the x minus 5. Option C.